Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch Review. Asia Pacific Bourse rose mainly with notable exceptions being China and Hong Kong. After a surge of 1.35% yesterday, Europe's Stoxx 600 is now marginally lower. This was its largest gain in a single month. The US Nasdaq futures have fallen sharply following poor news from Alphabet and Amazon. Even after yesterday's hawkish stance by the ECB, which reaffirmed its intention to raise rates by 50 BP each month, the dollar remained steady. Yesterday's key reversal in gold was significant. It reversed after making new highs and settled below Wednesday's low. It is now at $1,910 thanks to follow-through selling. March WTI is still at $75 per barrel, a 3-week low. Asian Pacific market. The composite PMI and service data from Japan suggests that Japan is recovering from its third quarter contraction. Yesterday, the dollar dropped to JPY 128.10 and is currently trading in a narrow range of 128.45 to 128.85. For the fourth consecutive session, it is trading slightly lower. Though it is possible that China's reopening could be a positive sign for Australia, this has not been confirmed. The final service and composite PMI are still below the 50 boom/bust level. Yesterday's high of $0.7160 was broken by the Australian dollar, which fell to a low of $0.7045 yesterday. It was able to recover today from follow-through selling of $0.7045. Market of Europe. The ECB is one of the most hawkish central banks in the G7. Only the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, out of the G10 central banks, may be more aggressive in setting rates over the next few months. Yesterday's 50 BP rise was expected by the ECB. It also signaled that, barring any unexpected developments, another 50 BP will be given in March. The Bank of England raised its benchmark rate by 50 basis points, a move that defied predictions from some banks of only a quarter of a point. Yesterday's reversal was extended today by the euro, which fell to $1.0880 shortly before it found bids. Sterling had an outside day yesterday, trading on both ends of Wednesday's range but settling below its low. It fell fractionally to $1.2185 after follow-through selling. Market of America. Weekly initial jobless claims dropped for the third week in a row and were at 183,000, the lowest level since April. The ADP data combined with the weekly jobless claims show that the U.S. economy is increasing jobs net. The end of next week will see the release of Canada's January employment data. The U.S. dollar has recovered from yesterday's CAD 1.3260 low and traded at almost 1.3375 today. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.